Yes, welcome back into this channel and welcome back into this tutorial. So in this video, I'm going to show you the best Chrome extension that you can use to manage tabs in your Google Chrome browser. So you may be using various tabs and you want to be managing them in a simple or in one place, and you want also the tool which can help you, or the extension is this one I'm going to be showing you. For example, you can see if I click on extension, I see this one. We see it is marking one. And if I add, for example, this one, and I add another one, they are going to be changing to 3 or to 4 depending on the tabs you have opened. So if I click here, I want to choose which one I can click to go. If I click this one, can you see I go to this tab? And if I click also, you can see, therefore, if I click to this one, now it is going to take me to this platform. So it will minimize all the tabs. So now, if here it will close all the tabs, now here it will, now you can see, I will open new tab, and you can see also, I click here, then I go to the new tab. So now what you need to do to install this extension is that you have to come here and type Chrome Web Store. After typing Chrome Web Store, you have to click here and open it. So as you open it now, what you need to see is that this extension which is called Tab Manager. Now, as you can see, you're up here, Tab Manager. If you hit Tab Manager, then you click Enter, you're going to be redirected to this tab. Then you install it. You can see this Tab Manager, which is also plus. It's the one I installed there. And let me click here, and you can see I have installed it. If I want to remove it, I can remove it, but also I don't want to remove it, which means it is okay. I have to remain with it. What I need to do, you can see I have it this here, and I can remove it if I want, and I can also even also add it if I don't have it by going to here to this video. If we see, if I remove this tab, and if I come again to search it, also I want to be adding it. As you're going to be adding it, if I want to be adding it by the first time, you're going to be adding it in this way, and also it's going to be added and reflected to your browser so that you can be using it to manage all the tabs that you want to be managing in your computer or in your Google Chrome browser. So thank you for watching this video. Like this video, subscribe to this channel, dear Pro, and if you have any question or suggestion, also leave it in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification button so as you always get notified when you upload new video here at Dear Blog. Ciao, ciao.